Boom shakalaka, the catalyst that could send cryptocurrency parabolic, plus why Bitcoin is likely to hit $100,000 by summer, the top altcoins to buy today, and the one coin that's set to blast off. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are talking about a whole bunch, the catalyst that could send Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies to the moon, plus the top coins for today. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. And if we take a look at things today, fear is neutral. People aren't scared anymore. As a matter of fact, if we take a look compared with last week in extreme fear, last month in extreme fear, this is very, very good. We have not seen this since September, October. You remember that was as Bitcoin was about to blast off. Now, if we take a look at the market today, up just a little bit under 2%, Bitcoin at 43,842, Ethereum at 31.82, BNB at 416, XRP at 86 cents, Cardano at 118, Solana 111, Terra Luna 55, and Avalanche 88.93. Now, the top coins to pick out today, because this could be the beginning of alt season and you want to take a look at the best coins to buy every day, why not use artificial intelligence and machine learning to pick out the best coins, period, and then put them together in an indice so that you have the best coins for the day that outpace the market, say by like 800 some percent. So today we're taking a look at Gate.io, and on a daily time horizon, you go to analytics, you go to indices, and you head on over to Token Metrics, and if you haven't checked it out, there is a discounted link down in the description. Now, the top coins for today would be Gate token, go figure, the token for the exchange, but also Telos, Decentraland, Luxo token, and FTX token. And coincidentally, if you also look at KuCoin, which has similar coin selection, the top coins on KuCoin are also Telos, Decentraland, Luxo token, FTX token, and also Dero. So maybe those four might be worth taking a look into. But there's another coin you should also take a look at. Kadena is on the verge of starting a mega rally. Now, as we see here, there was basically a drawdown, drop below the one-day MA50. As soon as it broke out from there, wow, price shot up dramatically above previous all-time highs. Same thing happened here, went below the one-day MA50, broke above there, above previous all-time highs. Well, looks like it's doing it once again. It has the one-day MA50 breakout, could potentially go above previous all-time highs, maybe even up to $35. Now, if you don't know about Kadena, this is one you should definitely take a look at. Why? Because they have an insane team. If you don't believe me, you can see here, they have Stuart Popejoy, who led JP Morgan's Emergent Blockchain Group. They have Will Martino, who was a tech lead for the SEC's cryptocurrency steering community. Not only that, but their advisor, Dr. Stuart Haber, the co-inventor of blockchain and the most cited author in Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin white paper. So they have a bunch of heavy hitters on the team, plus the technology is likely there. Now, if we take a look at Kadena right now, trading at $9.57, if you remember this chart, could potentially go all the way up to $35. So you might have a 3 to 4x off of this coin. Definitely worth taking a look at. Now, on to Bitcoin, because, well, Bitcoin is making some moves as well. As we can see here, we pretty much predicted pretty darn close to the bottom, looking at the RSI breakout, and it has broken out from the previous downtrend a few days ago on the 6th, continuing up, looking for some resistance between $47,000 and $57,000. That's the significant resistance where it's exchanged hands a lot previously, but like I've been saying all along, as soon as it's above 53, I'm pretty darn bullish. And if we take a look here, we can see Trading Shot is saying, hey, guess what? This unique cyclical RSI pattern shows $100,000 by summer. So if we take a look at the RSI pattern, we have RSI higher highs, which the price comes down a little bit, and then before or after that we have a peak, and it's all in this uptrend. Well, about 144 bars happen again, 149 bars happen again. Well, 149 bars could put it once again by the summer, potentially $100,000 Bitcoin by this summer, maybe even continuing higher. But right now we're seeing that Bitcoin and USDT showing exactly what's happening. They're basically inverses of each other, almost mirrored inverses of each other. And as we see USDT balance going down, we would see Bitcoin price continuing to go up, because what we've had is a complete retail obliteration. As the price dropped, all the retail margin traders got liquidated, and then the weak hands got shaken out. So simply put, the supply is now held by long-time holders. No sell pressure, but also nothing more to be taken. Jobs done. This means blue skies ahead. So we're likely to see blue skies ahead because each time this purple line, the short-term holder long-term ratio, gets down into this green area, look at what happens to the price after that. Look at what happens to the price after that. Look at what's going to happen to the price after that. Going up. Not only that, but we're seeing a repeat of what happened in October of 2020, where basically we had a high, a low, a higher low, a launch signal, and then the price blasting off. Well, we had high, low, basically identical coiling going off before a long signal pending. And we have a lot of different signals saying, hey, the price is likely to go up. As a matter of fact, TechDev saying with the Bitcoin cycle impulses, this is basically just repeating what happened back in 2011, 2013, where if you have green, yellow, orange, red, well, he says we have green, yellow, orange, red, and this blue line is the 4 standard deviations of the 50 weekly EMA, and you can see it bouncing off of there at each of these times. Well, coincidentally, we would have another one at the 2.272 fib, which would put the price roughly around $300,000. But we are waiting on what this long signal pending. What's going to blast the market off? Well, it could very well be this news from BlackRock today saying they're planning to offer crypto trading in their company. And not only that, they have $10 trillion in assets for institutions. Well, guess what? If they decide to put 10% of that, that's $1 trillion into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But you know what? $1 into Bitcoin does not equal a $1 rise in Bitcoin price. It actually equals about $3.50 rise in price. You can check that out. Willy Woo has some charts on it. So potentially, this could pump up the market cap by at least $4 to $5 trillion. At least. So this could potentially send the price parabolic. So guys, that is all for today's video. Everything is looking good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Make sure you check out Token Metrics. Discount the link down in the description. Also, don't let this Kadena opportunity pass you by. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you very much. Peace.